Alan Cohen says, every negative experience holds the seed of transformation. I personally say that every experience is an opportunity to grow, to discover. So when we're talking about any facilitation session, keep in mind to experiment, to discover yourself and give chance for others to discover themselves and discover you with a big Y between each other. Play, make it an opportunity to learn from, because there's no ultimate rigid facilitation technique. It's always the process that makes us grow.